you should come back down. I always signal you when I'm feeling low. I always think of you.
From the moment I met you, I knew my life would never be the same. You've shown me the true love, what true love is, with your kindness, patience, and endless support.
I always think of you. I always think of you.
I promise to always stand by your side, to respect you, to honor you, and grow old with you.
And I'm calling out from my sleep. What is it all about? Baby, I will bleed for you. Baby, I will bleed for you.
Sa 11 years, ano naman, happy, na nag-aaway paminsan, which is normal lang naman. Pero eventually, lagi naman kami, at the end of the day, nagkakaintindihan naman, nagkakapatawaran, ganun. Hanggang sa, ayan, meron na kaming baby on the way.
Cheers, cheers! We only have a moment left.
Tuwing nanliligaw naman ako tsaka na in love, ikino-consider ko lagi na siya na dapat yung the one. And then, nag-click naman kami. At ngayon, katibayan naman na siya na yung the one kasi ikakasal lang kami. Frogs, maraming salamat sa lahat at ngayon magiging tunay na yung pagsasama natin. Ikakasal na tayo. Salamat sa mga sakripisyo tsaka pagpe-prepare na itong wedding. Mahal na mahal kita.
I'm so happy na ikaw ang itinadhana ng Panginoon para sa akin. At alam ko na magiging happy, successful, and adventurous ang life natin sa mga susunod pa na panahon. See you later. I love you, Froggy. Bye-bye.
Staring in your eyes, it feels like heaven. I've never been, but if I had to guess, then you would always be what's on my mind.
Salamat. Tulad ng una kong sinasabi sa tuwing nagdarasal ako, pasasalamat din ang unang nasa isip ko sa araw na ito. Salamat sa Panginoon sa buhay na kaloob niya sa iyo. Salamat din at ikaw ang tinadhanan niya para sa akin.
Stay for the rest of my life.
Papasalamat din ako sa mga magulang mo, lalo't higit kay Mami Mayen na siyang nagtaguyod at nagpalaki sa iyo bilang isang mabuting tao. You've grown to be such a gentleman, and you are the most understanding, generous, kind, loving, and loyal person I've ever known.
All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything is better with you.
I vow to love you fiercely and unconditionally, to laugh with you, to cry with you, and to create a life filled with adventure and joy.
In this world could get me to leave here, 'cause
Hi Frogs! I love you so much. Thank you sa pag-aasikaso ng kasal natin. Sana magustuhan mo kung ano nasa loob. Lagi mo tandaan na mahal ko kayo ni Baby, Taddy man yan, or Polly.
to think of the miracles I would have missed. All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything's better with you.
Hi, Froggy. Take this bracelet as a sign of my love for you. May your heart be always as good as gold. I love you forever, Froggy. Wow!
You take good care of one another at magpatawad kayo hanggang sa huli. Mapalad ang sumusunod na tao may takot sa Diyos.
Today, Glenda, I give you my heart, my soul, and every piece of me. I choose you now and forever.
That's enough to keep.
Sa araw na ito, ipinapangako ko na magiging isang mabuting may bahay sa iyo at matyaga at mapagmahal na ilaw ng tahanan sa ating bubuoing pamilya.
Oh,